This video walks you through how to handle two W-2s from the same employer in TurboTax. Start from your TurboTax account where you're already signed in, then open your current tax return. Once the return is on screen, look to the left-hand menu and select Federal. This takes you into the part of the return where wage and income details are managed. From there, click Income, then choose Wages and Income Summary. On the Your Income and Expenses page, find the section labeled Wages and Salaries, or W-2, and click Revisit. That opens the area where you can enter or review the wage forms connected to your return. Begin with the first W-2. TurboTax will give you the option to import the form or enter it manually. Use whichever method matches what you have available. As you enter the form, copy the information from that first W-2 carefully into the matching fields in TurboTax. If you are importing, review the imported details before moving on so the entry matches the form you received. After the first W-2 is complete, go back to the Wages and Salaries section. Do not combine the second form with the first one, even if both W-2s came from the same employer. Instead, choose the option to add another W-2. This creates a separate entry, which is what TurboTax needs in order to record each form correctly. Next, select Work on my W-2 and click Continue. You will then enter or import the second W-2 as its own form. Follow the same approach you used for the first one, either importing the information or typing it in manually. The key detail here is to keep the second W-2 separate from the first, even when the employer information looks the same on both forms. Once both W-2s have been entered, take a moment to review them side by side within TurboTax. Check that the wages, federal and state tax withheld, and any other amounts shown on each entry match the individual paper or digital W-2 forms exactly. This is the point where small mistakes are easiest to catch, especially if the employer name and other details appear identical on both forms. When everything matches, continue through the TurboTax prompts so both W-2s are saved to your return. Move through each screen until TurboTax brings you back out of the W-2 section with both entries included in your tax file. Thanks for watching. Both W-2s from the same employer are now entered separately and saved in your TurboTax return.